Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Dodge Caravan's spare tire, only way. Start by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake, then shift into park. Gather gloves, a lug wrench, and a flashlight to see under the rear bumper. Remove the cargo floor panel and set it aside so you have clear access to the winch area. Keep tools organized and work calmly to avoid dropping small parts. Use a socket or a specialized tool to operate the winch and lower the spare safely. Insert the socket into the access hole and rotate slowly to avoid stripping the bolt. Once the cable feeds out, support the wheel so it does not fall and damage the vehicle or injure you. Keep one hand clear of pinch points and continue lowering until the cable releases enough slack to unhook the spare. After the wheel is on the ground, locate the retainer at the hub and depress or unclip it to free the spare. Tilt the wheel and feed it out from under the vehicle, watching for sharp edges and debris. Inspect the tire and rim for punctures or corrosion and confirm proper inflation before reinstalling. If you are swapping with a full-size spare, hand thread lug nuts first, then tighten in a crisscross pattern to the correct torque.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.